Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And after the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple seconds more, and then you can release it. And after you release the button, you will see the CMF logo on the screen, and your watch should reboot into a system. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.